What's up world, I'm Mr. Vaca and welcome back to our Screencastify series. Now if you're ready to take that next step, dive deeper, and learn how to make your Screencastify videos even more interactive, then you've made it to the right spot, because today I'm going to teach you how to add interactive questions to your Screencastify videos. For this demonstration, we've already recorded and opened a video through the Screencastify app. It doesn't matter if this is an old pre-recorded video that you made years ago, or if it's something that you just made today, you'll still be able to add these interactive questions by doing the same process. Over on the right-hand side toolbar, you'll see a spot called Video Features. First, let's start with viewers, and the number that you have here next to viewers shows you how many people have watched your video, just like on a YouTube video. When you click on that button, a pop-up window will appear where you have the ability to get information on viewers, email, most recent view date, and the number of viewers. Now, if you have integrated this video directly through Google Classroom, you don't have to worry because all of the data and information is automatically collected for you through Classroom. But if you're using the direct link to share the video, then the anonymous user will pop up, but you will be able to see how many times that video has been viewed, and you'll also be able to see the comments for that video. Now let's move on to interactive questions. This is a game changer when it comes to delivering your content and seeing if your students are actually grasping and understanding what you are trying to teach them. There are so many reasons why this interactive questions is an incredible tool to use in the classroom, but really I use it for data purposes, student engagement, and accountability. When you click on the interactive button, it will reload the page for your video with the ability to add questions now. And here's where the fun begins. Find the point in your video you want to add a question to, and then click the blue Add Question At button located above the timing bar. This will open up a pop-up window in which you type your question and up to 4 answer choices, with 2 being the minimum. Once you've filled out the questions and the answers, you're going to click the gray correct circle, that check, next to the correct answer option. Then you'll know that it's been selected because it will have turned green. Then click save and your question will be embedded right in the video at the point indicated. You can continue to add questions throughout the video as you like. Questions are noted at the timing bar with a circle and can be viewed in a list view by clicking the left-facing arrow on the right-hand side of the screen to bring out a full list of all the questions throughout the video. Here is where you can edit or delete those questions. After you've finished adding all of your questions and filling in the different correct answers, you can also share this directly from this page using the button on the top to copy watch page link or share to Classroom. Now with this particular video, I've already shared it out, so I have answers to work with. After you finished your video and the viewers have responded, that information will be viewed right from this page as well. Click the responses button on top next to share. This opens up several ways to view the responses. It automatically opens up to a new page where you'll automatically see all the responses and the total number of responses, average score, and average questions answered. Below that, you can see a breakdown of each individual viewer with their score and which questions they got right, designated by a green check mark, or wrong, designated by a red X. If there is a gray bar, that means the viewer did not answer the question. The score will be factored based on the number of questions answered. However, next to their score, they will not have a blue done check mark since they did not complete all of the questions. When a viewer does complete all the questions, it will have that blue check mark shown that it's done. It's good to know that viewers cannot move past a question within the video without answering it. You also have tabs to view responses by individual students or individual questions, which will show the same information but just in a different format. This has been, again, a game changer for me personally, and hopefully you'll be able to see the same type of results. So let me know if you like this video down in the comments below and what else you'd like to see in future content. Most importantly, don't forget to work hard and play hard, and I'll catch you next time.